Greetings, this is Jim Dedman's Sawlogs Plastic Hubs. Welcome to my little backyard hobby shop, and I hope you enjoy your visit today. Today, my old crazy old man's got another one of his bright ideas. This is probably a quick project, won't be a very long video for you, but just something that just kind of kicking around in the head. I don't know the order of the videos, but recently I have been to the local flea market and I have been picking up some punches. I got some stirrup ones, and I also got some craftsman punches, just regular, you know, pen and driving punches, just small sets. And I get tired of digging through drawers for stuff, so what I'm doing is making a little rack today for them. And the little rack's going to be made out of Lexan, screws, and half-inch CPVC pipe. Something real simple, just to hold the punches in. I can set them on the bench and they won't roll around. So, with no further ado, we're not going to be slinging steel today. We're going to be slinging plastic. So, pull up that easy chair, grab you a cold drink or a cup of coffee or whatever your favorite beverage is. Sit back and enjoy me slinging plastic today. We'll see you at the end of the video. Okay, so now we're going to drill the last hole on this fixture, and I decided after I started working on it to leave me some room for expansion. And the reason I'm using this, I've got this Lexan, probably it's overkill, but so now see I'm going to glue pipe in it, so that's going to be all epoxy together. Okay folks, we got, yeah, this is just going to be the bottom piece. I just draw me some lines, and I'm going to just take this, and this is going to be the bottom piece of the bracket here. Go. That's all there is to it. So just to do it. Okay, off camera I assembled this base, and I'm going to be honest with you, it's not lined up perfect. It wasn't intended to be perfect. I just sort of laid them together and drilled them. So it's going to be off a little bit, but it's just a little rack set in the shop. So the way this is done, I've got nuts right now spacing it. So what we're going to do is put the pipe in it. What we're going to do is cut these pieces of pipe here on the lathe off, and then they're going to be glued into this, and that's what the punches will actually ride in. Now some of the punches will be looser than others, but it's just easier to do it this way. So that's the plan. So what I'm going to do real fast here is get a square end of this pipe. There that is, that's a square end of pipe. Put a chamfer on it. We're going to pull it out 2 inches. It's going to stick above this, obviously. And each one of these pipes will be epoxied into the, and this is nothing but plain, simple water, half-inch PVC pipe. CPVC, hot and cold. Nothing fancy. We're just going to do a little job like this. There'll be no corners to it. Whack it off. Put a little chamfer on the inside here. We'll take a hand tool and chamfer this one. So I've got to make, I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4. 12 of these. And I only need 8, but I'm just, when I was laying it out, I'll have some room if I buy other punches. There's my rack. Now I've got more spaces than I have punches, so they got to set a little bit. They'll have to set up just a bit. What I've done is I basically epoxied it in there. Been nicer if I had a little tighter fit on the pipe, but trying to match pipe and drills is sometimes tough. So let me make sure if they're set pretty good. Well, I can go ahead. What we're going to do is just put these punches in here. These are the 2 alignment punches from Craftsman Punches. And then we can put Craftsman punches back here. These are my starrets that I bought at the flea market. I made these holes one size and simple. So I do have some room here for expansion with those punches like that. So that's a quick little project. I just used some Lexan. I've had that Lexan, you know, I made little mini wine racks with it and stuff, and just laying in the shop. And that's just, so basically you've got screws, Lexan, a little bit of 1/2-inch water pipe. So that'll makes a nice little stand for my punches. So for a quick project, I think that's pretty good. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's little small presentation. This is always a copyrighted production of James Dedman's Sawlogs Plastic Hubs for your entertainment, enjoyment, and viewing pleasure here on YouTube. I hope you enjoyed me making this little punch racket out of scrap in the shop. With that being said, there's a little button down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already. We're trying to get to 1K. We're really close and we sure would like to get there. So I want to do a giveaway if we get to 1K. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. There's no cost involved. There's no junk emails come to your box. There's no robocalls to your phone. It's just satisfaction of being a member of the group of people who subscribe to my channel here. Also, comments are always welcome. Please do. That's the beauty of YouTube. You can comment, and that gives us a chance to interact. Not all of us get to go to all the events like the Bar Z Bash or whatnot. So, you know, the only other way we have to work with interact with our subscribers is sort of virtually. And that's what the comments are for, so I'd be appreciative if you did that. With all that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's presentation of the little rack that I built. And come back again to the next video and pay us a visit here in the Sawlogs Plastic Hub shop. I'm looking forward to seeing you in that next one, and I really, really appreciate you taking your time to view this video. So till the next video, we will just say we will see you later. All of you have a really great day.